हेलो एवरीवन, वेलकम बैक टू अवर चैनल। आज हम देखने वाले स्टैंडर्ड 8 हिस्ट्री का 10 चैप्टर आर्म रिवोल्यूशनरी मूवमेंट, उसके क्वेश्चंस एंड आंसर। तो चलिए देखते हैं अपने चैप्टर का फर्स्ट क्वेश्चंस। तो अपने चैप्टर का फर्स्ट क्वेश्चंस के रीराइट द स्टेटमेंट बाय चूजिंग एप्रोप्रिएट ऑप्शन। तो फर्स्ट क्वेश्चन हमको पूछा गया है, स्वतंत्र वीर सावरकर स्टार्टेड अ सीक्रेट ऑर्गेनाइजेशन ऑफ रिवोल्यूशनरीज नेम। आंसर है मित्र मेला। Second, in Punjab, organize an uprising against the government. Answer है राम सिंह कुका। थर्ड है, who founded the India House? आंसर है पंडित श्यामाजी कृष्णा founded the Krishna House, founded the India's House. सेकंड है, complete the following table. यहाँ पर रिवोल्यूशनरी और उनकी ऑर्गेनाइजेशन। तो अभिनव भारत रिवोल्यूशनरी कौन कौन थे? वो है वी.डी. सावरकर। उसके बाद सेकेंड ऑप्शन है अनुशीलन समिति, और थर्ड है हिंदुस्तान सोशलिस्ट रिपब्लिकन आर्मी, जिनके रिवोल्यूशनर थे चंद्रशेखर आजाद। क्वेश्चन 3 है, एक्सप्लेन द फॉलोइंग स्टेटमेंट विथ रीजन। फर्स्ट है चाफेकर ब्रदर्स किल रैंड। आंसर, फर्स्ट, द एपिडेमिक ऑफ प्लेग ब्रोक आउट इन पुणे इन ईयर 1897। Second, the plague commissioner Rand was appointed to deal with plague situation. Third, he resorted to tyranny and force while managing the epidemic of plague. Fourth, as revenge, the Chapekar brothers Damodar and Balakrishna killed Rand on 22nd June 1897. Second है, Khudiram Bose was hanged to death. Answer, Prafulla Chaki and Khudiram Bose, your members of Anushilan Samiti, planned to kill a judge named Kingsford by throwing bomb at his carriage. Second, but that vehicle was not carrying Kingsford, and instead two British women died in the incident. That's why Khudiram was arrested by the police. He was tried for the murder of two women and was sentenced to death. Next question is 3. Bhagat Singh and Batukeshwar Datta threw bombs in the Central Legislature Assembly. Answer, Bhagat Singh gave importance to creation of society based on social justice and equality. Second, the government had introduced two bills in the Central Legislative Assembly, curtailing civil rights. So, to protest it, Bhagat Singh and Batukeshwar Datta threw bombs on the Central Legislative Assembly. Question 4 है, answer the following question in brief. First question say, write a detailed description of the attack on Chitgaon Armory. Answer है, Surya Sen was the chief of revolutionary group at Chitgaon in Bengal. Second, he gathered a group of young revolutionists like Anand Singh, Ganesh Ghosh, Kalpana Datta, Pritilata Vaddidar. 3. With the help of Surya Sen, drew up a plan to raid the armory at Chitgaon. बाकी का आंसर आपको यहाँ पर दिया हुआ है, यहाँ से आप डायरेक्टली कॉपी कर लिख सकते हैं। सेकंड क्वेश्चन से एक्सप्लेन द कंट्रीब्यूशन ऑफ स्वतंत्रवीर सावरकर इन द आर्म रिवोल्यूशनरी मूवमेंट। आंसर है, स्वतंत्रवीर सावरकर फाउंडेड अ सीक्रेट ऑर्गेनाइजेशन मित्र मेले ऑफ रिवोल्यूशनरीज इन नासिक। Second, it was renamed as Abhinav Bharat in 1904. 3. He went to England for higher education and sent revolutionary literature and guns from there to the members of Abhinav Bharat. 4. When the government came to know about the activities of Abhinav Bharat, they arrested Savarkar's elder brother Babarao. 5. Later, Swatantravir Savarkar was falsely linked with murder of British officer Jackson and was sentenced of 50 years of rigorous punishment at Andaman Jail. 6. After 10 years, Savarkar was taken to Ratnagiri and was detained there. 7. He started many social movements such as removal of caste difference, removal of untouchability, etc. The Savarkar contributed immensely in the revolutionary movements in India.
थँक्स फॉर वॉचिंग व्हिडिओ. इयत्ता 8वीच्या मराठी, सेमी आणि इंग्रजी या माध्यमांच्या सर्व विषयांच्या स्वाध्यायाच्या नवनवीन व्हिडिओसाठी चॅनलला सबस्क्राईब नक्की करा, लाईक करा, कमेंट करा आणि वर्गमित्रांना शेअर करा.